Hello all, welcome to our channel. So previous in this years we are using for Google Analytics Universal Property. Now is a new version beta is coming to market, Google Analytics 4. So coming to this, both is a different. Mainly Google Analytics purpose, check the live traffic, existing traffic, daily wise, weekly wise, monthly wise, yearly wise, when activated on your particular website. So I'm selecting my website is called Rakesh Tech Solutions. I can come into this changing the movement Universe Analytics to Google Analytics 4 is a new version. Complete method is changed. Why? Because the complete collapse Universal Analytics by July 1st. So that is the reason. First we can go with the associated will be option will be here. Here is option name is called begin migration. Click here. So they will ask you one question. Google Analytics 4 property setup assistance. I want connect to the existing Google Analytics 4 property. So this will be start. This option will be here. Everything. Click for get start. The setup assistant will be create a Google Analytics 4 property. This will be keep your original Universal Analytics property unchanged. Nothing but previous is Universal Analytics. There is will be very user friendly. But it's complete will be converted to new version. But what is the different? Nothing different. Option will be changed. So they will real time, everything is here is a very comfortable zone. But Analytics 4 will be little updation version. Create a property. Here is the go to GA4 property. Here is that all will be done in this. Next, close. What we can click for? Complete setup. We can click for connect your property option. So we can click here. Property you are connected universal on this property remain unchanged. So here is that. So everything will be here is that. So it will convert in what is called GF41. So well, previous one is called real time accusation. Everything is there. Now click for report. People will be report will checking for here. This is called real time. Completely will be change. Pattern will be completely change. So here is that. So check will be accusation. Click for overview. What are the changes? Will everything will be done here is the option. Check with that. What are the my website traffic? Everything I'm checking purpose. We can go to here is that real time. Universal Analytics and GA4. What are the different? GA4, what are the traffic we can show to the customer? This takes some time. But Universal Analytics, immediately we can reflect by the live traffic. One page to another page we can move it. It takes some time will be here. But GA4 complete will be little bit take process to show your traffic. That is the only one the option. And what are the options you can show? Everything will be completely changed. So these all will be checking for your particular options. And go to admin here. What are the your track one? That option name is called data stream. Here will be click for this option here. This is called copy the URL code. This code not done by your web page. Nothing but your website will this code will be activate. How we can activate? Go to here. What are the instruction we can call here in this? There's a number of instruction will be here. Configure tag setting, manage connect to your site tag, view tag instruction. When you click here, configure tag settings. What are the story you can configure here? Everything option we can check for one by one. what is admin, what are the rights, everything we can check for here. Connect your site option. View tag instruction. Here, install your Google tag. This will be website builder. This will be install manual. What we can call click for code, simple code. This code will be entered from your particular website header part. So that is called, we can log in your website cPanel. Just I'm logging cPanel here. Wait for a second. So what are the code you have copy here? Copy this code. This is the using for common header. Any kind of Google Analytics code, we can using common header, or else if your page will be no common header, add the code will be how many pages you have, add the all codes. So that is regarding, you can use the one common header files. So I go to here. What are the header you have? Just scroll down. Is a GTM? Not. Paste it. This is the code. Check one. Same code is there. Now you can refresh. Code is valid. The code will be show to the your particular website. So how to check the any particular website coding purpose? Open your website link. Control U. Control F here. The code is done. After code is done here, no save changes option required. Go back and go back. Click for report. Real time. What are the traffic you have? Everything will be removed. Why? Because the URL analytics will be here. This is will convert into GA4 option. So you can click for GA4. It's a newly created traffic. So right now, how many people are the real time? One traffic. Which page? This is our home page option. I'm changing, suppose page will be here, services or clients. When I'm changing for clients will be here. See this, the change option will be done by here. Other than discuss any live traffic, one page to another page, it is moving very fast. But showing traffic will be little slow. Where is located by Hyderabad? Scroll down. Which page you can check will be here. Check the all page option will be here. How many page views, user engagement, first visit and section count. This completely will be dependent by the complete option here. Same. What the user will be coming from where? Desktop. If user came from the mobile version, they can show your mobile also will be applicable by the mobile user also. If is the user came from mobile, they can show mobile. The user came from desktop, use for showing for desktop. The mobile came from tablet, that also will be mobile version. So that all will be shown to the customers will be here. But little bit time will be taken to the particular users showing on your Google Analytics 4 compared to the Universal Analytics. But remaining all will be same, but little bit different, difficult to show your particular traffic. User, new users, everything will be completely will be different scenario compared to the Universal Analytics property. So if any further question Google Analytics regarding, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.